Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to read Robinhood option screen. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here we are in the Robinhood learning page or center, and as you can see, this is a page or an image on how the option screen looks like. And basically, as you can see, there are two types of operations. There is the call operation, which is the buying process, and there is the put, which means the selling. And as you can see, also there is something the expiration date. So basically, each option would have some expiration date where you will have your contract or your option that will expire. And as you can see now, this is the price of the option. And as you can see, there are the stock price, and there is the money, in the money and out of the money. And now we are going to look on to understand more these terms here in this article. And basically, as you can see, in the money is the options with strike price. That means the buying price. As you can see, those are the striking price, and that has the strike price that would give you the right to trade stock at the better price than the current price of the stock. So basically, in this price or in this in the money, you will have chance to gain more than the stock price as here as you can see now. And basically, out at the money or in they are different for both the calls and puts. Puts is selling and calls is buying. So basically for the calls, it's the option with strike price that are lower than the stock price. So basically you will gain more because you are going to buy in cheaper and selling at a higher price. And basically at the money is the inverse or the opposites, or the out the money would be the opposite of the in the money. And at the money are options with a strike price that's either right at or the stock price. That means it is kinda close to it. And it will include the nearest ITM or OTM option since the stock is rarely exactly at the money. That means it is the closest to the stock price. So basically, based on this, you can start taking decisions on when to uh, put or call for options, etc. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.